Hello, today I am going to explain trigonometrical identities. Identity means formula. In trigonometry, you will find so many formulas, small formulas. So these are the of your standard. So tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. That's right. Now cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. Okay, and tan theta is equal to sin by cos theta. So when you will put it here, now it will become cos theta by sin theta it is. Now the third one is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. And these two identities has come from this one. If you transpose sin to this side, right side you will get cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. The same way sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Now the fourth one, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Okay, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Now transpose cot to this side, it becomes cosec square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. That's right. Now if you transpose cosec to this side, it will become cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Right. Now the next one, fifth one, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Now sec square theta is equal to transpose this to this side, tan. It is negative here. If you go to this right hand side, it will become positive. So sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Now tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. So these are all the identities. It will help you in solving the it will help you in proving these identities. Okay, now one of the identities I have proved myself here. Now this is exercise 8.4 of NCERT, number 5th subpart. It is 1. The identity is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. This is left hand side, this is right hand side. The left hand side is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. So we'll start it from here. It's okay. So LHS solution here now. This has been taken out. So cosec theta minus cot theta whole square. Okay. Now change cosec into sine and cot into sine cos. That's right. So cosec is 1 by sine. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sine theta. And cot theta is equal to cos theta by sine theta. It is here now. So cot theta is equal to cos by sine theta whole square. This is whole. This is square, so this is also a square, whole square it is. Now the LCM has been taken out. So LCM is sine theta. So it is 1 minus cos theta whole square it is. Now look at this is numerator, this is denominator. Now they have been separated now. So 1 minus cos theta whole square and denominator is sin square theta it is. And you can repeat it here now, 1 minus cos theta whole square. So I will repeat it, 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. It has been repeated here. Now sin square theta you can write 1 minus cos square theta. Look here, sin square theta here now. It is 1 minus cos square theta. I wrote 1 minus cos square theta, and this is based on a square minus b square identities. So this I have written as it is here, and this has been written in the form a plus b and a minus b. This is a plus b and a minus b. So a minus 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta, they got cancelled. So what is left is 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, and we have to prove that. So this is equal to RHS, and it is proved. Okay, this is proved now. Okay, likewise I will prove some more identities.